5. Building wealth with self-directed investing. 1. Do your research. Before you invest in anything, it's important to understand the investment and the risks involved. This includes researching the company, the industry, and the overall market. 2. Develop an investment plan. What are your financial goals? What is your risk tolerance? Once you know your goals, you can develop an investment plan that will help you achieve them. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. This will help to reduce your risk. 4. Stay disciplined. Don't let your emotions get the best of you. Stick to your investment plan and avoid making impulsive decisions. 5. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to get rich quick.